Welcome back to Genetic Health, your go-to channel for science-backed insights into optimizing your health and well-being. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that impacts millions worldwide, intermittent fasting. Whether you're looking to shed those stubborn pounds, enhance your metabolic health, or simply boost your energy levels, intermittent fasting could be the key to unlocking your genetic potential. Join us as we explore the science behind intermittent fasting, debunk common myths, and provide practical tips to help you embark on your own fasting journey. Get ready to transform your health and unleash the power of your genetics with Genetic Health. 1. Understand intermittent fasting. IF. Intermittent fasting, IF, revolves around alternating between periods of eating and fasting, emphasizing timing over specific food choices. Unlike traditional diets that focus on restricting certain foods, IF centers on when you consume your meals. This approach acknowledges the body's natural rhythms and metabolic processes, allowing periods of fasting to promote fat burning and metabolic flexibility. By understanding IF, individuals can harness its benefits by structuring their eating windows strategically, aligning with their lifestyle and health goals. This flexibility, coupled with the freedom to choose nutrient-dense foods during eating periods, makes IF an appealing and sustainable option for weight loss and overall health improvement. 2. Choose your method. When selecting an intermittent fasting, IF, method, individuals have various options to suit their preferences and lifestyle. The 16/8 method, a popular choice, entails fasting for 16 hours daily, followed by an 8-hour eating window. This structure allows for consistency and simplicity, making it easier to adhere to over time. Conversely, the 5-2 diet offers flexibility by permitting regular eating for 5 days of the week and restricting calorie intake on the remaining 2 days. This intermittent calorie restriction can be effective for weight loss while accommodating social events or special occasions. Ultimately, choosing the right IF method depends on factors such as personal schedule, dietary preferences, and health goals, enabling individuals to tailor their approach for optimal adherence and results. 3. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key during fasting periods to support overall health and well-being. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee are excellent choices to quench thirst and stave off hunger pangs. Adequate hydration not only helps maintain proper bodily functions, but also aids in curbing appetite, making it easier to adhere to fasting schedules. Additionally, staying hydrated can prevent dehydration, which may lead to headaches, fatigue, and decreased cognitive function. By prioritizing hydration during fasting periods, individuals can optimize their fasting experience, promote satiety, and support their body's natural detoxification processes. 4. Focus on nutrition. While intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss, the quality of the food consumed during eating windows is equally crucial for overall health and well-being. Prioritizing nutrient-dense whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats ensures that the body receives essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients to function optimally. These foods not only provide sustained energy, but also support muscle repair, immune function, and hormone balance. By focusing on nutrition-rich choices, individuals can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting, promote satiety, and lay the foundation for long-term health and weight management. 5. Listen to your body. Listening to your body is paramount when practicing intermittent fasting. Sensitivity to hunger cues, energy levels, and overall well-being should guide your approach. Feeling dizzy, weak, or excessively hungry may indicate that your current fasting schedule isn't sustainable for you. It's essential to be flexible and willing to adjust your fasting window or increase your food intake during eating periods accordingly. Remember, the goal is to promote health and well-being, so prioritize finding a balance that works for you, even if it means modifying your fasting regimen to better suit your body's needs. 6. Be consistent. Consistency is the cornerstone of success in intermittent fasting. By adhering to your chosen fasting schedule consistently, you create a routine that your body can adapt to over time. Consistency reinforces your fasting habits, making it easier to manage hunger and cravings as your body becomes accustomed to the fasting periods. Moreover, maintaining a regular fasting schedule helps stabilize your metabolism and promotes more predictable outcomes in terms of weight loss and overall health improvements. Making intermittent fasting a consistent part of your lifestyle fosters discipline and commitment, ultimately leading to sustainable results in the long run. 7. Combine with exercise. Although exercise isn't mandatory for weight loss during intermittent fasting, it can amplify the benefits and accelerate results. Combining intermittent fasting with regular physical activity enhances metabolic rate, promotes fat burning, and preserves lean muscle mass. Aim for a balanced mix of cardiovascular exercise, such as jogging or cycling, and strength training activities like weightlifting or body weight exercises. Cardiovascular workouts help burn calories and improve heart health, while strength training builds muscle, which boosts metabolism and enhances fat loss. Additionally, exercise can increase insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at utilizing nutrients from food consumed during eating windows. By incorporating exercise into your intermittent fasting routine, you can optimize your health, improve body composition, and maximize the effectiveness of your fasting efforts. 8. Monitor your progress. Regular monitoring of your progress is essential for success in intermittent fasting. Keep a record of your weight loss journey, noting changes in body weight, measurements, and body composition over time. Pay attention to your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being to gauge the impact of intermittent fasting on your daily life. If you notice positive changes, such as increased energy and improved mood, continue with your current approach. However, if you experience negative side effects or plateau in your weight loss, be open to adjusting your fasting schedule, eating habits, or exercise routine accordingly. The key is to tailor your approach to suit your individual needs and preferences, ensuring that it remains sustainable and effective for long-term success. 9. Manage your eating window. Effectively managing your eating window is essential for successful intermittent fasting. Use this time to nourish your body with nutrient-dense foods, focusing on whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Practice mindful eating, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues to prevent overeating. While intermittent fasting provides flexibility in when you eat, maintaining portion control is crucial for weight loss. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid consuming excessive calories, even during your eating window. By prioritizing nutritious food choices and mindful eating habits, you can optimize the benefits of intermittent fasting and support your weight loss goals effectively. 10. Prioritize quality sleep. Quality sleep is indispensable for weight loss and overall well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep nightly, adhering to a consistent sleep schedule whenever possible. Sufficient sleep regulates hunger hormones, such as ghrelin and leptin, which can curb cravings and prevent overeating. Moreover, adequate rest enhances your body's ability to burn fat efficiently, complementing the effects of intermittent fasting on weight loss. Prioritizing quality sleep not only supports physical health, but also promotes mental clarity and emotional balance, crucial components of a successful weight loss journey. As we wrap up today's discussion on intermittent fasting for quick weight loss, remember that while this approach can yield impressive results, it's essential to prioritize your health above all else. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and focus on nourishing foods during your eating window to support your overall well-being. Consistency is key, so stick to your fasting schedule and monitor your progress along the way. Whether you're new to intermittent fasting or a seasoned practitioner, incorporating these strategies into your routine can help you achieve your weight loss goals while promoting long-term health. Thank you for joining us today on Genetic Health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based insights into optimizing your genetic potential. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.